Magandang araw mga ka-Fix-It. Ang video na ito ay para sa ating mga mahal na guro na hindi pa alam na maaari silang mag-install ng licensed na Microsoft Office applications sa kanilang personal o kaya company-provided na laptop. Tara na at ating tuklasin.
First step, open any browser and go to google.com. Type in the search bar, Microsoft Login. Click on the first item of the search result. Click Sign In. Type in the username field, the provided Microsoft email and password. The username usually contains the region and DEPED domain. An example is r7-1.deped.gov.ph. And then click Next. Type in the password and click Sign In. Once you're signed in, navigate to and click Microsoft Apps icon beside My Account. Click on Microsoft 365. A new browser tab will open. On the right side of the dashboard, click Install Apps, and choose Microsoft 365 Apps. An application will be downloaded with .exe extension. Click on the downloaded file and install. Download and installation time may vary, depending on the speed of your internet service provider. Before doing this, make sure you have a decent or fast internet connection, or that your device has enough battery so as not to interrupt the installation process. Once you see this dialog box, you have now successfully installed Microsoft 365 applications in your device. You are now all set. You just need to accept the license agreement when you open any Microsoft application. You can now use applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint without having to worry about the license. Thank you and see you on the next video.